Alright, data warriors, up till now, your data was just sitting there, looking pretty, doing nothing. But today, we transform that data into powerful insights. So, hello everyone, and welcome back to our playlist, which is Master Data Analysis in Python. And today, we'll do data transformation and aggregation with Pandas, where we'll learn how to sort the data, how to filter the data, how can we group the data, and even merge multiple data sets like a pro data scientist. And by the end of this video, you will finally understand how real analysts turn raw data into dashboards, reports, and business decisions. So, the first thing, the data transformation simply means changing raw data into a useful format. Because, let's be honest, real world data is always messy, incomplete, and confusing. And businesses transform data to analyze sales, track customers, detect fraud, and build dashboards in Power BI, Tableau, and Excel. And here, Pandas is like a washing machine for dirty data. You throw chaos in, and insights came out. So let's start with sorting because humans love ordered things. So for this, we have to jump in our VS Code and let's get started. Okay, so we are in our VS Code and let's write the first line of code. And you'll know what is it because first of all, we have to import pandas. So we have to write import pandas as PD and let's structure our data. So here data equals to curly braces because we have to create a dictionary over there. So the first column, which is laptop, and here my list. So laptop, mouse, keyboard, monitor. And sorry, the column is product. My bad. The second column is price. So here are the price 85,000, 1500, 2200, and 12,000. Now the third column is quantity and the quantity is 50, 200, 150 and 80 and yes, our data is created. Now let's create the data frame of that dictionary. So df equals to pd dot data frame and inside that function we have to pass our dictionary which is data. Now let's print our data frame. So print df. Okay, so here is our data. Now let's sort by price. So for the sorting, what we can do is df underscore sorted equals to df dot sort underscore values. So sort underscore values is the function for sorting and we have to sort by price column. So by equals to price. Now let's print that df underscore sorted and boom, cheapest first perfect if you are shopping on a budget. Okay, so want highest price first? Then what we can do is df dot sort underscore values. We have to sort by price. So by equals to price column, comma, ascending equals to false. And yes, there are the highest one. Okay, now comes filtering. So filtering is selecting only what matters. So let's find product costing more than 10,000. So for that, we have to write filter underscore df equals to df and df price greater than 10,000. Now if we print filtered underscore df, so here it is. Ignore cheap stuff, show me premium products only. Okay, now filter by multiple conditions. So for that, what we can do is df and inside that df price is greater than 2000 and df quantity greater than 100. And yes, this is how businesses answer questions like which product are expensive and selling in bulk. So here is the answer. And now the most powerful spell in Pandas magic, which is GroupBy. So for that, what we can do is let's create a new data. So sales underscore data. And here is our column category, and inside that we have electronics, furniture, The sales are 50,000, 70,000, 30,000, and 45,000. Now let's create a data frame of it. So df equals to pd.dataframe sales data, and when we print that df, we have that sales data into a data frame. Now let's group by category and calculate the total sales. So group equals to df dot group by, and we are grouping it by category. So category sales dot sum, and when we print the group, so look at that. Now you know exactly which category is making more money without manual calculating anything. So there are some other common aggregation also. So what we can do is df dot group by category sales dot mean for the averages. We can use dot max for maximum, and we can use dot count for the count. So group by is literally the heartbeat of the business dashboards. Now, real world data never comes in one file. It comes into pieces like a puzzle. So for that, what we can do is, so let's create two data frame and then merge them. So the first one is customers equals to pd.dataframe. We have column 1, customer ID 123. We have column 2, name, where Rahul, Aisha, Vikram are there. Now the second data frame, which is orders. So orders equals to pd.dataframe. The first one is customer ID, which is 121. And the second column is order amount, which is 2500, 4000, and 1800. Now let's merge them. So for merging these two data frame, we have to write merge underscore df equals to pd.merge first data frame customers, comma second data frame, which is orders, and we have to merge it straight. So on equals to customer ID, because customer ID is the common column between both of them. Now each order finally knows who placed it. No more anonymous shopping. Okay, so here is our mini practice challenge for you. Try this challenge. First of all, create a data frame with city, product, sales, then group it by city and find total sales per city. You can pause the video and try it yourself. And boom, you just learned how real data analysts transform and aggregate data using sorting, filtering, group by, and merging data frames. In the next video, we will visualize this data using charts and graphs, and that's when your data really start talking. So train hard yourself, do your coding. We will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, happy coding.